guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ambreenk and today I have got this gorgeous look for you guys and I'm so in love with it. Star of the show is going to be this palette. It's the Fire palette from NYX. Don't know if you can get it anymore. I did get it last year in the holiday collection sort of thing. Right guys, this lip as well is so pretty. I used the NYX lip lingerie. I'm going to do a voiceover for you guys. Yeah, scrap the idea. My nephew and niece are going to actually be doing my voiceover, so I think this is going to be so hilarious. Please don't butcher me, guys. I want to know how to get this perfect fall, winter, warm eye look. If you want to see this look, then just keep on watching. Please make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're kept up to date with any videos that I post, and like this video if you like it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Let's get on with it. Whoosh.
Hello everyone. Today Ambreen's doing some makeup look.
Okay, so she's applying some colour thing to her eyes and she's dabbing it on her face. I mean on her eyes, gently. You can see she's using her nice cat mirror as well. She's using her ring finger.
So now she's using the NYX Fire palette. And I don't know what shade she's using. That shade, whatever it's called. Put it on my eyes again. Again. And again. Come on. Hurry up. And then a yellow.
And then a red. And then a purpley red. And then a purple. She might as well put the whole goddamn thing on her face.
And then the other one. And then put my eye again. Blend it in. Then put it on my other eye. Yes, it's looking fine. It's looking fine, honey. Hurry up. Yeah, rub it in properly.
Oh, there we go.
Now some purple brush. Get that purple shade again.
Applying it on the eyes again. And again. And on the eyelid.
Oh, it's coming together actually now. That colour, same colour again. Put it on my finger this time because I don't have another brush. And then put it in the other inner corner of the eye. Oh, black now.
Oh, fancy.
Oh, she's doing smoky palette, smoky.
Smoky.
Inspired by Home Alone. Smoky. And some pointy thing.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. Oh, eyeliner. The wing.
Do a little pen, using the pen.
It's a wing cat eye, I think. She's trying to copy a mirror.
Yes.
And the other eye.
You can see the concentration on her face.
She's trying to hide her big mouth with the mirror.
Yes. Oh, doing her nails now.
Why? Yeah. Okay, yes, that's done. Oh no, not yet. Why are you hiding your face? Okay, doing the corner. And some, I think it's Primark Glow something.
Yeah.
I think it's a primer.
Oh, my life.
Oh, it's a nice pink colour.
Yeah.
I mean purple.
Yeah.
Oopsie. Put it on my face, rub it in. Professional. Rub it in, hide them ugly pores.
Yeah.
Rub it in. Some Maybelline foundation.
Oh, I was about to say BB cream.
Put it in. Put it on.
On the chin area, the nose.
You forgot the forehead. Oh, there we go.
Hang on. Trying to get that warm look.
on.
Hurry up, we haven't got all day.
I think she's trying to use the whole bottle.
Yeah.
Oh, don't forget your double chin.
Oh God.
Okay, dab it on with with a sponge.
There's a cut mirror again.
Yep, made an appearance.
Yeah.
Some concealer, which is nearly finished.
Yeah. To get rid of them bags.
Oh look, the cat mirror is doing a little peek.
Yeah. You can see a small ear.
Ew.
Did you see that penis one right there?
Herbert. I'm Herbert. Oh, thank you very much.
Anything else?
And the forehead. So I don't know what that is.
Master Fix.
Oh, powder.
Powder, yeah. Some elephant otter.
Yes. Some chapati flour.
Yeah. Oh.
Brush it off real quick. You don't want it to be gunned on the face.
Yes.
Some, I don't know what that is.
Go Rio Master Sculpt thing.
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
what I read.
contour.
Contour.
Hide them lords. I'll hide the chin. And then my nose. Her nose.
Oh, okay, everywhere.
Okay. Oh, that colour's made an appearance again. Oh no, it's gone. It's gone now.
Okay.
Okay.
Underlay
Oh,
of
back on the eyes.
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
Underlay of the eyes.
In the corner, put some orange in there. Or is that gold?
Don't know. You can say both if you want to.
Oh, I think she's trying to do a sunset look. Oh, it's made appearance again, that colour.
You gotta love that colour.
I think it's a sunset look here.
Yeah, it's a warm makeup glam look.
Oh, don't take your eyes off.
Yeah, don't.
Curl your lashes.
Yeah.
And some mascara.
Eyeliner or mascara.
Put it on. You need them to look like spider legs.
Yeah. Throw back to
More.
my Halloween look.
Yeah, more. Yes. More.
Yeah.
More. And don't forget the bottom ones.
Yes, don't forget them.
Yes, carry on. Bit more. Yeah, perfect. Some blusher in this tiny circle container. Put that on with a fat brush,
Yeah,
fluffy
using the
one.
big brush though.
Put that all over the cheeks. You want to look like you're ill.
Yeah, like a ghost.
Put some highlighter on. Maybelline.
As you can see, she doesn't look very happy.
Yeah, put that on the. Oh wow, that must be really good.
Yeah.
Okay, put that on there. Yeah, whatever she's putting it. Put it on there.
Yeah.
Don't forget your nose
Oh,
bridge.
Yeah, your nose. Can't forget that. Yeah.
I'll put some under your eyebrows as well.
Using the back of the brush.
In the corner again.
You gotta love that corner.
Okay.
Oh,
What was that smirk?
Oh, exactly.
Finally, doing your lips. Put some. Do some Crayola crayon on your lips.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, dark look this time.
Yep. Kylie Jenner style.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so
Okay, so you have to
oh
tint
no,
your head a bit.
big fat NYX palette.
Oh, a bit to your face.
Oh, is it lip gloss?
Oh, just tie it. She's probably.
Yeah.
like,
Okay,
wasn't
put on your
cute.
lips again. Oh.
Oh, is she liking that?
Ew.
Liking that?
I can't see your lips, honey. There we go. Okay, that's finally done.
Yeah,
Let's do some awkward posing. Yes,
yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Yep.
Yes, very
Yep.
good.
Slow motion. Insert
Ooh,
awkward
very-
slow motion. Yeah. Insert awkward eyelash.
Zoom in on that face.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
Look down, yeah.
Yep. Look down. Thanks for watching.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone. Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'll turn it off now.